How can educational institutions across an entire city be mapped? Through MAPOG, data can be visualized. First, open your browser and go to story.mapog.com. Now, move to the Create and Publish Map section. This is the workspace. Now click on Create New Map. Select with Template and click on Next. Then click on List View. Enter the project title as School Infrastructure Map and add a short description explaining the purpose of the project. Then click Create. Your new map workspace will now open. After coming to the map interface, go to Map Settings. From here, upload your logo and click Save. Then click Add Location section and click Upload CSV, then select Business Location Template Setting and click on New Type. Since we are creating a school infrastructure map, enter the location type name as School Infrastructure. Choose a suitable color for map visualization, and select geometry as point because schools are represented as point locations on the map. Now start creating the fields that will store school information. Add custom fields like school name, address, and computer facility. While creating these fields, select suitable formats such as text, number, and select Add. Click Create Type. Move to the Select Business Location template and select the custom template you've created from the drop-down section. Click on Select File and upload your CSV dataset containing all school details. Then select to Auto-Generate ID field to avoid duplicate entries and match attribute with columns. Now select latitude and longitude. Then click Submit. Now to add images, open any school location and click Edit Business Location Details. Upload the school image and other required details, then save the changes. This helps attach visual information to every mapped school. Click on Manage section of Template and there select Create New Style and go to the Category tab and selected Layer from drop-down. Now from the select your desired attribute. Then choose Proper Icon and Color. Later save style and continue. Finally, go to Preview and Share. Set your map to private or public. In public, share via link or embed map it on websites. In private section, go to In Access, click on Add Users and select roles like Viewer or Editor, then Invite for collaboration. Now the school infrastructure map becomes more interactive and visually organized, making it easier to analyze. If you need help, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.